Need to update your payment method in Fortnite? Here's how to do it fast. First, Fortnite uses the Epic Games Store or your console account for payments. If you're on PC, open the Epic Games Launcher. Click on your name and then Account. It should take you to the Epic Games website to your account settings. Go to the Payments tab. So you can do this by going under Payment and Rewards and clicking on Payment Settings. Scroll down, and from here you can add a new card or PayPal or remove outdated ones. If you're on console, update your payment method in your console's system settings, not Fortnite itself. Once updated, try buying a small V-Bucks pack to confirm it's working. And that's it. Payment method changed and ready to go. Hit like and follow for more quick Fortnite guides.